All right, let's get real for a second. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of seeing those wild claims online. People flexing their AI side hustles, showing off big numbers, and making it look way too easy. But what if I told you there's actually a step-by-step way to get in on this, even if you're starting with nothing but a phone, a laptop, and a little bit of hustle? If you're a student, or honestly just broke, and you've been scrolling past all those I make $11K a month with AI videos thinking it's all hype, stick around. Because today, I'm breaking down exactly how regular people, not just tech geniuses or influencers, are actually pulling in 11 grand a month, starting from zero. No trust fund, no secret connections, just a smart system and some consistency. I'm breaking down the new way people are actually pulling in 11 grand a month, starting from zero. This isn't about luck or going viral by accident. It's about using AI and social media in a way that's actually repeatable. Step 1, go viral on purpose. That's right, you don't have to wait for lightning to strike. There's a formula to getting noticed, and it starts with creating content that people can't help but share. I know, easier said than done. But if you want to crack the code, start posting shorts about AI hacks, cool tools, or wild money tricks. Literally stuff that makes you say, wait, that's possible? The key is to focus on things that are genuinely useful or surprising, because that's what gets people to stop scrolling and pay attention. Here's the hack. Use chatgpt to write 3 scripts in 5 minutes. Don't waste hours overthinking your ideas. Just prompt chatgpt with something like, give me 3 viral AI hacks for students, and let it do the heavy lifting. You'll be shocked at how quickly you can generate content ideas this way. Don't overthink it. Focus on quantity and let the algorithm do its work. Post daily. The more you post, the more chances you have to hit that viral moment. Consistency is what separates the people who make it from the ones who just dream about it. That's it. Fast growth is all about showing up. Even if your first few videos flop, keep going. Every post is a new lottery ticket, and you only need one to take off. Step 2, monetize your best stuff. Once you've got a few shorts that pop off, take your top content and turn it into a digital product. This is where the real money starts to roll in. Once you've got a few shorts that pop off, take your top content and turn it into a digital product. Maybe it's a mini course, a toolkit, or a cheat sheet, something that takes your viral idea and gives people even more value. Could be a $17 AI guide, a Notion template, something people can download instantly and use right away. The price doesn't have to be high, it just has to be a no-brainer for your audience. Make it super actionable and solve a real problem. The more specific the solution, the more likely people are to buy. Think about what you wish you had when you started, and create that. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. These platforms make it easy to get started, even if you've never sold anything online before. You don't need a fancy website or a big following, just a product that helps people. 650 sales in a year? That's $11,050, not a typo. And that's just from one product. Imagine stacking a few of these over time. And yes, students and beginners are doing this right now. You don't need a degree or years of experience, just the willingness to learn and take action. Step 3, stack passive income. This is where things get really interesting, because now you're not just trading time for money, you're building assets that pay you over and over. This is where it gets spicy. Passive income means you can make money while you sleep, study, or hang out with friends. It's the ultimate student hack. Start dropping affiliate links for AI tools, software, and resources you actually use and recommend. Every time someone signs up through your link, you get a commission. Video editors, Canva, productivity tools, anything that makes your audience's life easier or helps them get results faster. Think about what people watching your videos might want. If you're showing off an AI hack, link the tool. If you're teaching a skill, link the resources you use. You get paid every time someone signs up. Even small commissions add up when your content is getting views around the clock. It adds up crazy fast. Before you know it, you've got a steady stream of income coming in, even on days you don't post. So build a content engine, sell digital products, and stack those affiliate links. The more you create, the more you earn, and promote tools that pay you every single month. Some affiliate programs even offer recurring commissions, so you keep earning as long as your referrals stay subscribed. It sounds simple because it is. The hardest part is just getting started and sticking with it when things are slow. But you gotta put in the reps. Every post, every product, every link is a step closer to your first $1,000 month, and then your first $11K month. 11K a month isn't a dream, it's just a system. And once you see how it works, you'll realize it's totally doable. If you want an exact breakdown, follow Zero to AI Pro. Seriously, they're showing step-by-step how beginners are making this happen. You'll get real examples, templates, and even more hacks to speed up your journey. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the right time. The best time to start is now, even if you feel like you're not ready. Start with what you have. You don't need fancy gear or a perfect setup. Your phone and your ideas are enough to get going. The only thing stopping you is you. Don't let self-doubt or fear of failure hold you back. Every creator started as a beginner. All right, hit like if you're ready to make AI your side hustle. If you're serious about changing your situation, this is your sign to take action. Drop any questions below. I'm rooting for you. Let's make this your year to level up with AI and finally build the income you deserve.